Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to transfer your XDC coins from KuCoin to your Ledger Nano X, with the latest updates for 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, keeping your assets secure is key, especially with evolving blockchain tech. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a KuCoin account with XDC in it, a Ledger Nano X device that's fully set up, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer. Double-check that your Ledger is connected and unlocked. This is crucial to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Ledger Live app and navigate to the XDC wallet. If you haven't added XDC yet, go to the Manager section, search for XDC, and install the app on your device. Once that's done, go to the Accounts tab to find your XDC receiving address. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string, so no typos allowed. Next, log into your KuCoin account on the web or app. Head over to your XDC wallet and click on Withdraw. Paste the address you copied from Ledger Live into the withdrawal form. Don't forget to select XDC as the coin and enter the amount you want to transfer. KuCoin might ask for a network fee, so keep some extra XDC for that. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Check the address twice to make sure it matches your Ledger's. Once you're good, click Withdraw and approve the transaction on your Ledger device when prompted. This adds an extra layer of security. Now, wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes, but with 2025's faster blockchain updates, it might be even quicker. Once it's done, you can check your Ledger Live app to see your XDC safely in your hardware wallet. Awesome job! A quick tip: always use the official apps and double-check for phishing sites. Crypto can be risky, so stay vigilant. If you run into any issues, Ledger's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides like this. See you next time.